So I'm just going to use these little saltwater prawns to catch hopefully a brim or a catfish. Let's see how I go. Whoop. Got something. Probably a little catfish. Or a brim. He's off there. He took the bait. Yep. Got him. Got him. Yes. Come on, mate. Gotcha. Where is he? There he is. Got him. Yes. No way. That is a big whiting. What? Yes. Oh, look at you, mate. Got you. Got him. Hey, buddy. Whoa. Alright. Alright guys, so here's the whiting, and I'm going to be frying up the whiting. I'm actually going to fillet it first and then chuck the fillets in the pan here with some lemon and some salt and some oil. So yeah, I reckon it should taste pretty good. Wish I got a bit more fish though. So out he pops from the ice. Okay, so first we got to gut him. Start from the bumhole, work all the way to the mouth. Let me pull that in there. Unless you want to eat it. I don't really want to eat it today. Beautiful fresh whiting. Yum. Alright, so there's no more scales on the fish. Now it's time to fillet it. Oh, that is looking good. One fillet. And 2 fillets. Alright, now let's get this fire going. So I'm just taking out some of the bones. Whew. Alright, now the oil. Just smother them with some salt. And of course, the lemon. Alright. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh. Yum. Small lemon. That's good. That's real good. Oh, yum. Alrighty. I reckon it is cooked to perfection. And there we go. Now seriously, that is what life is about right there on that plate. Oh yeah, let's dig in. All that spit. And there we have it, guys. Whiting catch and cook.